How is it going, guys? Hello and welcome to the first episode of the MiG-21 build series. The first episode is going to be about the assembly, painting and weathering the cockpit. The assembly of the kit, we will start with the cockpit. Here we will use Mr. Cement S. Everything fits nicely and it's a very pleasant experience. Dry fit is something I do very often to ensure that everything is properly positioned and to avoid future problems. The ejection seat is made of quite a lot of parts considering the scale, and it's also very nicely detailed. If you are an aviation enthusiast, don't miss out on this awesome MiG-21 t-shirt. Follow the link above or in the description. To begin the painting process, we will lay down a layer of black primer. Next, we will apply a base color in light layers until we achieve the desired opacity. To mask off some areas that should remain black, we will use masking liquid. To pick up the details, we will use light grey color. For the base color of the gun sight projector, we will use chrome marker and we will finish this area on later stage of the build. To add somewhere, we are going to mix the base color with some white and apply it with paintbrush. The next step will be to apply a wash. Then remove it using a cotton swab or makeup applicator sponge. To paint the black panels and bezels, we are going to use black marker with 0.1 mm tip. This makes the process so much easier. To paint the bare metal knobs and tumblers, we are going to use silver pencil. Using the same pencil, we are going to simulate exposed metal on areas where it is plausible to have the paint rubbed off. Using a toothpick, we are going to apply red paint where the reference images show it is necessary. To apply paint chips and highlights, we are going to use base color with some white. The final layer will be matte varnish. To start the work on the instrument panel, we are going to remove the liquid masks from the instrument faces using needle. It is also possible to do that after painting the bezels. If the instrument panel is made of clear plastic, we can replicate the instrument faces by scratching the black primer with needle and then painting the back of the panel with white paint. The rest of the panel will be done in the same way as the rest of the cockpit. The ejection seat we are going to paint in light grey. Then we are going to apply brownish grey color on the cushions. Then we are going to add highlights using the base color and some white paint. Next we will apply a wash. After we are done with the painting, we are going to apply decal seat belts. To reduce the seat belt's color, we are going to apply some wash on them. To finalize the painting process, we are going to paint the control stick. And all that is left to do for this episode is to superglue the stick and the pedals in the cockpit top. Thanks for watching. For more of my videos, click on the thumbnails, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and be awesome. Until next time, happy modeling.